La 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 la. What's up, guys? Good day, everyone. We are here now in the middle of the forest, just near the lake. I don't know if this is a lake or a dam. Lake. Yeah. Water reservoir. We are still here in Dalat, Vietnam. And today we're gonna explore some places here with my handsome boyfriend, Dima. Say hi.
Hi.
What can you say? What can you say about this place? I have an interview for you
It
today.
looks yellow.
Looks yellow.
So it looks yellow.
Yeah, the water is not clear, but the atmosphere, it's very atmospheric, and
Yeah, it smells nice.
smells really fresh.
Yes, and
The
air.
trees are so beautiful. The air is cold, fresh. What do you fear the most?
Fear?
Yeah. I have some random questions for Dima. Do you?
My fear now lose all my videos what I didn't make yet.
After you're here, yeah, we're gonna find some beautiful places around here. Just drive our bike and maybe we'll drink coffee. So, please be with us today. Here's another village. OMG, this place is really amazing, guys. What the really beautiful. Whoa. Wow. Let's go up from here. Whew. Cool. Wow, look at that panorama. The wildflowers. Beautiful. Beautiful flowers. Wow. Wow. So guys, this is the end of our trail, of our journey. It's already bad road there, so we need to go back to Dalat now. This
So hot.
area is already very far from the center of Dalat.
Just,
So we're gonna go back now.
we need to run.
Look at that mountain. That is so lovely.
So only and storm.
Yeah, and it will rain soon, so we need to go back. The clouds is already getting darker. That part of the mountain. And this is my milk tea, my favorite milk tea.
So many incidents.